Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer where you're opening up the search menu and it says the search indexing was turned off. Turn indexing back on. The results are incomplete. Search indexing was turned off. For complete results, turn indexing back on. All you have to do is open up the search menu, type in index, best match should come back with indexing options. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the advanced button and then select where it says rebuild. Rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results may be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Select OK. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Should have been a pretty straightforward process. You don't see that message anymore. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.